What's up, crew? This is an intro video and basic tutorial on the Tuffy SMC indicator. This is honestly, in my opinion, one of the best and most profitable indicators ever created from the legendary signal generator and community leader Tuffy Calls. One of my close personal friends and someone I really look up to, who's been a mentor to me and one of the most profitable traders I have ever come across. Not only does he generate brilliant signals on a daily basis for a massive community, but he also has the expertise to create these very advanced, highly accurate, profitable paid indicators. Follow the link in the description to the landing page of this indicator to read all about it, and I do feel that it's very well priced because of how profitable it is. You could even make back the amount that you spend on it within the first week or month, and it is lifetime access, so from then on the profits are all your own. There's also a discount for this community, so make sure if you want to buy this indicator, pop me or Tuffy a message and we'll hook you up. This is the Solana chart on the daily time frame, and if we pull up the Tuffy SMC indicator, we can clearly see a few things. Right now we are sitting just above a bullish order block that has been identified on the charts. Pulling this indicator up on any crypto or even Forex asset, you'll immediately see the accuracy and potential for profit. Here we can see how accurately it identified the sniper level at the dump around the 10th of October in this massive wick on Solana, and if you entered at that level, it would have given you a nice 44% up on spot. We can also see now that we have tapped that zone again and we're sitting just above that bullish order block. For this introduction and basic video, we're keeping it very simple, and in future videos I will explain strategies more in depth concerning the other amazing things that this indicator can do, like identifying change of characters, break of structure, and fair value gaps. There are many reasons that I love this indicator, and of course the main one being the profits. But really very close behind has been how this indicator has taught me smart money concept, and now I am actually able to draw in these order blocks manually. I struggled with smart money concept for a long time because there is a lot of contradicting information all over the internet, and a lot of people are trading this strategy wrong. It is a highly profitable strategy, but it does need to be understood and traded correct. This indicator makes it very easy, and through using it, it actually taught me how to properly identify these order blocks. Here we can very clearly see a micro downtrend on Solana, a break of structure, and a change of character that did occur right here. That's where we can go and identify the coil of previous bearish candles just before the impulsive move to the upside, and then wait for mitigation back down to that order block. I know if you're new to smart money concept, this does sound a little bit confusing, but this indicator really makes it simple. If we use a little bit of Fibonacci retracement on this previous trend, we can also see how well the smart money concept plays into confluence with other strategies such as the Fibonacci golden pocket here between the 0.618 and the 786 levels. You can literally scan through all of your altcoins and you will find on any day, on multiple time frames, multiple potential entries on this indicator. Right here on the daily time frame, we can see a beautiful entry at the last bullish order block, which is now currently sitting in profit. You can build your own strategy on this indicator through practicing, backtesting, and paper trading, depending on your risk appetite, whether you'd like to enter from the top of the order block, from the middle of the order block, or even only if price hits the bottom of the order block. Personally, being a more risk-managed trader, I like to enter from the middle of the order blocks and put my stop loss just below with a little bit of buffer. Then of course, I like to bring my take profit up to the next bearish order block. For this trade, we can see that I would have got my entry and already be in a nice bit of profit. This particular strategy does also mean that I might miss some entries that come in just at the top of the order block, and that's just one of the things about being a more conservative trader. Scanning through the charts more, we can even see here on link on the daily time frame, there was a beautiful tap of that order block on a trade that is now sitting in profit. The idea here is to scout an order block, set an alert for just before that level so that you are aware that price is mitigating towards your trading zone, and then watch when price enters the trading zone and see if you get confluence with other indicators for your trade direction. Zooming in here on the 15-minute time frame, we can see that this indicator is absolutely awesome for the high leverage scalpers. Here we can see price very quickly moved from the bearish order block to the bullish order block, and even if you were hedging this, you would now be in profit on both the short and the long. Please, as with anything new, make sure you back test this on a demo account and then use small margin paper trades before you actually start risking any kind of decent margin. A huge shout out to the OG Tuffy for creating something so brilliant, and please let me know in the comments any questions you have as well as any experiences you have using this indicator.